Hey there, let's make some molasses sugar cookies. We're going to start with heating up 3/4 cup of shortening. Next we're going to sift our dry ingredients, that's flour, baking soda, cloves, ground ginger, cinnamon, and salt. And I'd like to take this moment to say a hearty hello to some new subscribers I've seen over the last few weeks. If you're new to the channel and don't know, I show vintage recipes that I find in old cookbooks and show you how they turn out. Normally I only have one chance to make the recipe, so I always walk you guys through how the cooking process was and how the results are. Once your shortening has cooled down a little, it's time to mix that in with sugar, molasses, and an egg, and you're going to mix those together really well. And I know that I'm not giving specific measurements for ingredients. That's because at the end of the video, there is a recipe card with the full recipe on your screen. Hit pause on your device and you'll get the full recipe. I also always leave the full recipe in the description as well. The next step is to add the dry ingredients that we've already sifted into the batter, and you're just going to keep mixing everything together. Now this is a trust the process type of situation. You just need to keep mixing. You're going to see me scrape the sides of the bowls to make sure all the flour is incorporated, and after a while you're going to feel the dough start to come together and it's going to stick to the beaters a little bit more. At that point everything is done when you see everything is combined. And I took the leftover batter and just rolled it into a ball and covered it with plastic wrap so that it wouldn't dry out while it chilled in the fridge. Now the recipe doesn't necessarily say how long to chill it for. I chilled the dough for about 2 to 3 hours. For the cookie, you're going to take 1 scoop of dough from a cookie scoop, divide it into 2, roll them into balls, and then roll them in granulated sugar and place on a lightly greased cookie sheet. You're then going to bake at 375 for 8 to 10 minutes. My size cookie scoop that I'm using is 1.5 tablespoons. Now this cookie is what spicy cookie dreams are made of. It has delicious warm spices. This cookie would be great with coffee, hot cocoa, tea, you name it. I hope you guys give it a try, and if you do, please let me know how it goes. And please make sure that you like the video, subscribe to my channel to see more, and hit that notification bell so that you are alerted when I put out a video. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you back here next time on Vintage Cookery.